Mentioned in last video, Pulp molded tableware is great alternative to disposable plastic tableware due to its good toughness, waterproof and oil resistance, natural degradation and recycling value. This time, we will introduce the main features. Dead tableware are generally consist of 70% to 90% sugarcane pulp fiber plus 10% to 30% bamboo pulp fiber. Different tableware products will adjust different fiber ratios according to product shape, angle, hardness, and stiffness. Bamboo fiber has the advantages of long fiber, high hardness, and antiviral properties, while bagasse short fiber can be physically wound with bamboo long fiber to form a close mutual composite material. This composite material is more cost-effective than using only bamboo pulp or only wood pulp. The tableware made by this material has good mechanical strength. Different from plastic, without any industrial decomposition machine, pulp molded tableware will complete decomposition by nature only 45 to 90 days in landfill. The degradation efficiency is so high, thanks to the microorganisms, insects, and animals in nature. Because the raw material of pulp molded tableware is their main nutrients. The degraded products are non-toxic and harmless. 82% of the ingredients are organic matter which can be used as fertilizer. Food safety is main concern of food containers. The presence of heavy metals in food containers may be harmful to human health. According to the European and Chinese regulations on food contact materials, the content of heavy metals Pb and As should be less than 3.0 milligrams per kilogram and 1 milligrams per kilogram. The content of Pb in pulp molded tableware was only 0.36 milligrams per kilogram and was not detected by As, which was far lower than the relevant regulation standard, proving the safety of pulp molded tableware as food containers. The oil and water resistance is to ensure the physical, chemical, and mechanical properties of tableware products, so as to ensure the safety of food. In order to improve the water resistance and oil resistance, it will use an eco-friendly and food-grade additives in the production. It will effectively change the wettability of fiber from hydrophilic to hydrophobic, so as to improve the water resistance and oil resistance, to ensure the pulp molded tableware is both environmental and safe. Through lots of tests, it has been confirmed the pulp molded tableware is suitable for microwave heating and oven baking. The highest heating temperature can reach 220 degrees Celsius, and will not produce harmful chemicals in the heating process that disposable plastic tableware do. If you are interested in pulp molded tableware, please keep an eye on us and see how the products are made in next video.